Welcome to SJSU OneSearch. Here's tip number 1. You'll want to sign in. So when you get to the home page and you get OneSearch up, you'll look over here and you can log in My Library Account. You can click on it and you'll see SJSU Student and Employee Login, and you want to log in. To do that, you'll need your student ID and your password to do so. You can begin searching without logging in, but you won't be able to fully access all the materials that are available to you at SJSU and across the CSU system. So you want to do it, and another way you can log in is simply beginning your search. Let's do cats with hats. Quick search. And you see on the results page for OneSearch, you'll have an option to sign in here and also to sign in here. So you want to be sure to do it. It allows you lots of things. For example, some databases won't give you full access, won't fully display the results unless you've signed in with your SJSU account. You can also create lists and save citations and export them to RefWorks. And as I said, you can also access materials, articles, books, and other media across the CSU system. So it's a great thing, and you want to access it fully when you're doing your research. Thanks a lot. Bye.